All right, when we use the quadratic formula, we need it set at equal to 0 because with the quadratic formula it says when ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then the quadratic formula holds. So I typed up the quadratic so it's easier to see. So first of all, we need to set everything equal to 0. And remember, from the very beginning, I've always said, anytime we're dealing with any type of quadratic, we always set it equal to 0. And it's even true now, whether you factor or do anything. Now, this is how you use the quadratic. Negative b. So negative b, well, first of all, let's do a equals 4, b equals negative 2, and c equals negative 1. So you get negative b plus or minus the square root of, now, negative 2 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Now, to be consistent, I'm going to do this. So, it is negative b. Remember, this is b. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared. All of b is squared. This is where most of your mistakes happen, is right here with this negative, and also right here with this other negative. A lot of people think that the c, 4 times a times c, but you have to remember there's a negative here. So what you end up getting is 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared, which is positive 4. This guy will always be positive. Minus 4 times 4, which is 16, but it's going to be plus 16 because of this negative will make this positive. All over 8. So this becomes 2 plus or minus the square root of 20 all over 8. Now remember, we always have to reduce our radicals. So 20 is 4 and 5. And 2 and 2. There's 2 2's. So you end up getting 2 plus or minus 2 square roots of 5 all over 8. Now, since we're dealing with imaginary numbers at some points, you got to remember that you separate your two terms. 2 divided by 8 is 1/4. Plus or minus, this divides in 4 times. So you get the square root of 5 over 4. And there is your answer.